Hey guys, it's Warren here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this old school mint julep cocktail, which only needs a few ingredients. To start with, take some glasses to make your cocktails in. Then in each glass add 10 washed mint leaves. Next, pour 15 milliliters of sugar syrup into each glass. You now need to muddle the mint in with the syrup, and you can do this using the handle of a wooden spoon. And what this will do is release all those lovely minty oils. And next you need to add 60 milliliters of Bourbon whiskey. And finally fill each cocktail glass with crushed ice. Now give your cocktails a quick stir, then garnish with some more mint. And there you have it, that's how easy it is to make these really refreshing mint julep cocktails. And if you loved the look of this cocktail, remember to give this video a thumbs up, and you can check out more of my videos by clicking on one of the videos appearing on screen.